Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube, and this is the video of IKEA baby feeding room. So in IKEA, all the stores over there in the world in IKEA, you will find a baby feeding room in IKEA store, and this room is well equipped with all types of related items. Let's say baby sitting or baby diaper changing units, or you will also find additional diapers. If you require diapers, you can definitely contact the IKEA members and they'll get you the diapers as well. And you will be see, these are the contact details that they are asked, they have shown. I mean, in every IKEA you will be able to see this particular these things in the IKEA baby feeding room. You will find two different diaper changing stations, and then you will see a wash basin along with all the type of things like sanitizer and the wash liquid, hand liquid and other stuffs as well, like napkins or things like that as well. You will be able to find. And in every IKEA you will see these type of things, and your baby can play along with this. And you will also see two different types of chairs over here. I mean, cushioned chairs for your this is for the mother. Sorry for the background noise. And this is for the mother and the baby. I mean, you will be able to see a hand dryer, you will be able to see a dustbin, a tissue paper box, and a basin, wash basin, and the sanitizer. So these things will be available in all the baby feeding room, and this room is completely private, guys. Nobody can enter in this room, and you can definitely spend time with your baby for feeding. And you will see two chairs over here that is completely cushioned, and those chairs will be helpful for the mother and the baby to be fed, or to get fed. And there will be some information written over here. You can definitely refer to that. And as I was talking about the chairs, this is the type of chair that you will be getting. You might get a different type of chair, but it is completely optional, guys. I mean, these things will be available, and it is completely well designed. And I hope this video will be helpful for you to find out what are the things available on the IKEA baby feeding room, and you will be able to pay visit when you visit IKEA store next time. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video is helpful. Do like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Bye.